Nowadays, people go in a wrong direction to reach the goal. The goal here I'm talking about is getting the Wi-Fi password. Why should you even learn hacking Wi-Fi when we have a special app for that? And the name of the app is Wi-Fi Map. Basically, it's not a tool or anything like that. It's just a simple app that lets you know the password of the Wi-Fi network. Just download it. The size of the app is just 35 MB, and later don't forget to thank me. You can do it in the other way just by hitting the subscribe icon and also the bell icon. Now then, let me explain you all about it, and let's get started. So guys, just head over to the Play Store and search for Wi-Fi Map and install the app. When you're done with that, just allow all the permission, accept the terms and conditions, and enable the location. That's very important because this app is based on that. When you're done with that, it will show you this. Start rel for 3 days and later on 1650 or something like that per year. Don't consider it, just hit the close icon in the top right hand side. It will take a couple of seconds to load, and later on you'll see a bunch of Wi-Fi networks that are around you. Now select any Wi-Fi network that you like. Let me select this home Wi-Fi and click on unlock password. When you click on that, it will directly show you the password. Nothing like you need to connect coins and invest on it. Nothing like that. It's very direct. So just copy that password. If you just click on that, it will be copied to your clipboard. So you can just go to the Wi-Fi section and paste the password. Now let me talk about the con of this particular app. Number one, it has a ton of ads. And number two, you should be near the Wi-Fi network. It shows a bunch of Wi-Fi networks here, but literally when you open the Wi-Fi section in your smartphone, it shows only 1 or 2 networks. So you should be in the range of 100-200 meters in order to connect this one. Just go near the Wi-Fi network and use whatever you want. You can download stuff and whatnot. Now that was pretty much everything about the application. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.